It's Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori.
Happy Māori Language Week.
Ko Jess toko ingoa.
Ko Ayva toko ingoa.
Very good, Ayva. Kia ora. Kia ora ahoha. Kei te pehea koe.
For Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori, we're going to play a game called the Boil Up Challenge.
We're gonna boil up.
Woo!
How well do you speak Te Reo Māori?
We only use a bit of Te Reo Māori because Māori. Oh, however you say it, sorry.
Matua ki moro is in the Kapa Haka group, and he teaches us stuff like that. And
Matua ki moro is our Te Reo
Māori teacher.
We've taken beautiful boil up made from the honey shop. We're going to ask you a Te Reo Māori question, okay? If you get it correct, you will get a nice part of the boil up added to your boil up plate. If you get an answer wrong, the delicious boil up food will be replaced with something random that doesn't belong. Question number 1. If you get this question right, you're going to have delicious pork bones. If you get it wrong, you're going to get something else that starts with PB. Peanut butter. The theme for Māori Language Week 2018 is Kia kaha te reo Māori. Kia kaha te reo Māori means A. Let's make the Māori language strong. B. Let's learn the Māori language. C. Let's fight for the Māori language. Or D. Let's marry a Māori person.
I'm really scared. Okay, I've got my answer.
2, 1.
C.
The answer was A. You won't be getting delicious pork buns in your soup. You'll be getting a delicious PB peanut butter. If you get it right, you're going to get kumara potato. If you get it wrong, you're going to have tuna.
Oh gosh.
The correct way to say hello to two people is A. Kia ora koutou. B. Ata Māori e. C. Tēnā kōrua. Or D. How are yous to?
A. Wait. Give us the countdown.
2, 1.
C.
Ava, you are correct. Tēnā kōrua.
Yay!
I was trying to sing that song and I said
Me too,
A, but then I was like,
You're
What
right.
song?
Tēnā kōrua, hello to two. Ooh, that's... Thank you.
This question is for you individually, Jess. If you get it right, you're going to get a delicious batch of watercress. If you get it wrong, you're going to get something else delicious that starts with W but doesn't belong in the boil up. Weet-Bix. Finish the line of this song.
oh no.
E hoa atua o ngā.
Iwi atua.
Eh.
I only know
Can I do
Iwi because I don't actually know the words, but I know the tune of it.
Iwi na... This is hard. Yeah,
Okay, enjoy your Weet-Bix.
And just the last round.
Alright, and no good boil up is complete without yummy doughboys, but you, if you get it wrong, are going to be eating yogurt.
Dough balls. Balls.
Boys, not the balls. You're the balls.
Okay, moving on.
Okay, moving on. Number 4. If someone asks you, tino pai te rangi ne rā, they're actually asking, A. Lovely day, isn't it? B. What is the time? C. What is your name? Or D. Tino, would you like a pie?
sorry. 3, 2, 1, A!
Correct.
Yes!
So that means you both get
Dough balls.
Went to your wallet.
3, 2, 1, go.
No spitting out. I'm gonna eat it. Eat it, baby. It's better
It
than yours.
tastes disgusting because it's like nice and sweet and then it's like salty at the same time and it's not a good sweet. I'm not used to this taste. And then it's really cold and it's a weird texture, so that's really good.
Shush.
Big thank you to the Hangi Shop in Otahu
Who cooks the real boils?
and other delicious Māori food. To win a $100 Hangi Shop voucher,
Share this video with the hashtag 1Milliona.
we're going to choose the winner on the 30th of September. Happy Māori Language Week!
And make sure to learn some Te Reo Māori this week.